How to install Windows 11 in your computer. So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So if you want to install new Windows 11 in your PC, so this video is for you guys. So keep watching complete video, so you never miss any step. So let's get started. Before starting install, make sure download ISO file in your bootable pendrive. Link in description box to download ISO file. And also back up your old data in your PC before install Windows 11. Insert your bootable pendrive in your PC, and start. Press F10 to see boot option, select boot pendrive and start. Select language, time and input method, and click next. Click install. If you have valid key, paste here or click I don't have key. Over here you can see the lots of options. Select Windows version to install. Click accept, and next. Click custom install. Select the drive to install, and click next. Your window is installing. Click restart button. Your computer need time to final setup. Select your country. Click I don't have internet. Click continue with limited setup. Choose name, password. Choose privacy settings according to you. And click accept. Your Windows need time to complete setup. Here we go, your Windows 11 is finally installed. Install latest driver and enjoy. So I hope you love it. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, stay healthy and stay safe.